Students, I am Suraya Jabin from UPS Takya Farhama. Today we are going to learn body movements. Animal body has two parts. One is the internal parts, that is internal organs, and the external part. In internal part we have got heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, and in external part we see head, legs. Movement in the body is governed by bones and muscles. Bones and muscles work together for the movement. Bones are connected to muscles by tendon, and the two bones are joined together by ligament. Muscles always work in pair, that is, they work in contraction and they show contraction and relaxation. And the movement, we see the movement in our body where there is a joint. So a joint is a place where we can see the movement. There are different types of joints in our body. I have written here some of them and we will discuss them briefly. First is ball and socket joint. This joint allows movement in all directions. This joint is present in shoulder and hip. We can move it at an angle of 360 degrees. So we can move this joint. This joint helps the movement in all directions. The second one is pivotal joint. This joint is present in neck. Neck is joined to our head by this type of joint. It allows movement, forward and backward movement, and right and left movement. We can move our head right to left and forward and backward. In pivotal joint, a cylindrical bone rotates in a ring. The third one is hinge joint. This joint allows back and forth movement, like in our elbow and knee. We can move our elbow back and forth, and we can move our knee back and forth. There is present hinge joint in elbow and knee. The fourth one is fixed joint. As the name indicates, this joint can't move. This joint is present in upper jaw. As you can see, you can move your lower jaw, but you can't move your upper jaw. So, these were the different types of joints present in our body. There are different organisms which don't have skeleton system, but they do show movements, like in earthworm, cockroach. In earthworm there are present rings which contract and relax and help in the movement of earthworm. In cockroach there is present exoskeleton and two wings are present. These wings help in the movement of the insect. So this was all about body movements. Thank you.